pick 12 dominoes and put them up on your thing.
Okay. Like this, right?
12, yeah, however. Standing up or...
So there it shows me.
Okay.
All right, did you pick an extra one?
Oh, we all get an extra
And then
one.
see who goes first.
Okay,
How do you know who goes first?
Okay, you're going to go first, Josh.
Because mine had more
So put
numbers.
yours-
More numbers.
How
Yeah.
to determine that? Oh.
Mine
How
had
many
the
dogs?
higher number.
Yeah.
Higher number.
Okay, so Josh, you will go first. So you
So
can either
now-
play on you or on the train. Now, this is the train here. So Jones will have to go here. Josh, you'll have to go there.
Okay.
You'll have to go here.
So I
and
go
you and I
here.
have three, you know.
Okay.
So
But that's the train.
that's the train.
But we start with
You
the
could
7.
start
You
anywhere.
start with the
Yep.
train or yourself?
So,
But I have to start with the 7 is
Correct.
what I'm
Yes.
saying.
Oh, you
yeah.
have to start with the 7.
yes,
Yeah.
it has to start with the 7.
Okay.
So now you need a 7.
Yeah, I'm looking for it.
You don't have it, so you'll pick one, and hopefully it's a 7.
Okay.
Did you get a 7?
No.
No.
So
Okay,
now
so
you'll-
now you'll put your train up.
So now you have to put your train up because you couldn't go.
And anybody can
Okay.
help
And
you.
anybody can play on you now.
Correct.
Oh,
Because
okay.
your train's there.
Okay, I'm not going to play myself. I'm going to help you out.
Okay.
And
So-
you're not even doing the train.
No. Sorry. Go ahead.
You're
your
not
turn.
even doing the train. What do you mean by that?
She's helping him out instead of doing the community train. I don't know what's up her sleeve over there.
Okay.
1,
She's
2,
helping me.
3, 4.
Because I'm learning, maybe.
She helped you big time. Now you'll want to go. You'll go off of 4.
So,
So
Yeah,
you
you
do.
do.
Isn't he
right.
blocked? Can I play on him?
you know,
Yeah,
you
it's
can
your
play.
turn. I'm
you
just
can put
trying
a
to
4
get
on
him.
him.
See, you'll go.
You
this
could
one be
play
next,
on
and then
him
find
or
one that
yourself
fits
or
here.
the train.
I
And
need
then
a
do
7
your
to start
dominant.
here.
Ah,
Why do I need a
start
7 to start the
here.
train?
Yeah.
So I
Yeah,
can't.
then you
I
do
have
a red one.
7.
You have a couple
So I
red
can
ones.
just
See
play
which
on
one
him.
will
Yes,
take you
and you
furthest.
won't have to put your
Right.
train
You know
up.
what I mean?
But first stop because she
Oh.
played on you
So
and screwed you up.
Played.
What the fuck are you two doing?
I don't have a 7.
Yeah, let her go.
Oh,
Okay, now it's your
Okay.
turn with a 6.
Okay, so I have plenty of
Oh, you
six.
don't,
so-
you don't.
And you don't have 6, so she screwed
So
you.
now you
now you
got
have
to
to
now you
draw
got to
it
Now
down.
you
draw.
pick one.
Now, can I ask a question? Was he able to play on... No, because,
No, because there's no
train's
train
not
up.
up.
Yes, okay, go ahead. So
Did
then
you get a
you're
green
so
one?
blocked.
Nothing.
Okay,
what
so
do I
your
do?
train
Stay
stays up, and it's now her turn.
And you don't draw till you can go. You just draw 1.
Yes, only one. And if
Can
you
it
can't
see
go,
your
it
thing?
goes to
Okay.
the.
I can. Yeah,
Yeah.
I can.
Okay, I'm gonna start the train off. So that's the train. So now you could either play on the train, Jones, or yourself.
Okay.
And she's obviously got
So I'm not the
another
only
6.
person learning. Right? I'm not the
No,
only one.
correct. We're all...
See?
Yeah.
We're all learning.
And see, I couldn't. I could have played this on you if your train was up, but because your train wasn't up, I had to start the train.
Okay, so now you can finally go. No, not that. Look
That-
behind
that
that
color.
tile.
You need the
Okay.
orange.
Now you can pull your train down.
Yep,
'Cause
because you
nobody-
played on
yeah,
yourself.
so nobody can play on you now.
Yep,
Okay.
nobody could play on you now. Is right.
So now you can start. lining
Okay, I'm
yourself
starting my
up from
train.
that
Yes.
Number. Yep.
Yeah, and a lot of times I never have a
Like, yeah,
train up.
yeah.
But you're
So
able
because I had the double, I
to,
played
you have
twice.
to play. Yep.
Yeah.
Go in there.
So you always leave one for you
Mm-hmm.
here.
Okay, go ahead. You need your little blue, your turquoise, whatever.
Okay. So,
There you go.
That.
Yep.
and leave it like this.
You
That's
could
fine.
whichever way you want. It's totally up to you.
It's kind of the
Now
same,
your
right?
ne-
Is that?
Now your next move.
Well, you
Will be a
can't
yellow.
put it up here because
So,
then.
can I do
So can I
this
do
on
Yeah.
here?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, if we had that rotating thing.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Where is the? It needs a hole in the middle.
Okay, good job.
So now I just want to remind you one thing, Jones. You play on yourself, but you always have the option to play on the train.
Ah, okay. So I
So
don't
this-
pass
Right.
or dig in.
What I
Right.
usually do is line mine up to play on myself. And then when you get caught somewhere, your leftover stuff, then you can play on the train or if someone goes up. See how far you can go.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean?
Like I would do matching here.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll play right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Should I push it or not?
Yeah,
Yes,
go
go
ahead.
ahead.
Yeah, it's up to you.
That's
Whatever you
Yeah.
prefer. If you prefer 1, 2, 3.
that doesn't have a meaning or value, right?
Is it my turn?
Yes, sir.
So that is. I can't play. First, I draw, right?
Yes. You can't play on,
On
the,
the
train,
train and
or
yourself.
you. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you draw.
And I
Can you-
got neither. So now
Okay.
my.
So now your train goes up.
And if
Wait,
you
that was his landing.
Yeah.
if you want to, you could help your mom out if you
Yeah.
have
Did you
another
have
6.
another 6
That's a 7, but
or
whatever.
7?
Yeah.
What? Her train's not up.
I didn't start.
She
You
don't,
can start
yeah.
it.
She don't have one.
I'm not blocked yet.
Yeah, you're not blocked, so he can't.
Oh,
She can't
you
play.
should be up the whole
No,
time.
No,
she's been playing.
I've been playing on
She's
everybody
been
else's.
playing.
Oh, wait, so if you can play and don't start your own train, that's okay.
Yeah, like I played
Oh,
on
yeah.
there,
Oh,
Jones, when he
okay.
Yeah.
was blocked.
There's times I've played a whole game and won a game
Oh,
without
okay.
having my train going.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now
But
it's,
we could, if we have one, we could start her out. We could,
no, well,
No.
not until her train's up.
Oh, we can't
No.
train up for her?
No.
Once I get
Because
blocked,
she played? Or,
Yes, she played. So because she played, her train's not up. Well, you can only play on her track when her train is up.
you opened him up.
Yeah, because he had his train up.
Yeah,
he couldn't go.
He
Because he couldn't
play.
go anywhere. She
Okay.
played on Jones. She played on the train. You know, so
Yeah, I see she's been playing.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think.
It's Jones's turn.
Okay.
Now it's
And I'll push it. Okay.
you're going the wrong way.
All right.
For example,
So,
I can play here.
You're blocked, Josh.
Correct,
I
yeah.
can't
So
play.
you need, like,
Yep,
the
I can't
orange,
play there
the
or
pink.
there.
So now you'll pick one.
Now I'm blocked.
Okay, now you could put your train up, and now anybody could help you out. And your son helped you out.
Because otherwise I would have had a draw.
It's my turn. Is it like this?
Yep.
Yep. Good job.
That's the queen. Can I push it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Ginny, one more. Now you take your train down, and nobody could play on you. Yep.
I can't go on the train or myself.
And that's all you have.
Oh, I got one for myself. So
Good,
now I
so
can
you
take
can
my
take
train.
your train down. Yep.
My
but-
turn.
Oh, the other end don't help me either.
Here's the, oh, look at this.
Sometimes you take it down and put it right
Yeah.
back up again.
So I'm gonna play here.
Yeah.
Yep, you could
Let's
do
just say I
that.
had my train here. I could still do that?
Yes.
As an option, okay.
Yep.
Okay, 2
Now-
or 4.
If you wanted to, you could keep score. So at the end,
That's what
when
we used
somebody
to
goes
do.
out,
You
you
count your-
count how many dots you have.
That's how
and-
we played.
Yeah.
We used to start at
Who
the
needed the
12s and go down, and then you
We have a
keep score
traffic
every
jam
round
at
what
the
everybody has.
intersection.
But we don't do the score. We just go by.
Is it me?
4 or
Yes,
yeah,
sir, it's you.
12.
You looking at my tiles?
No, I was just seeing Cup only has 1 tile.
Okay.
Ooh,
I'm
she
gonna
forgot.
Oh, you said that?
I didn't even
double,
remember
and
that
I'm going to
part.
back it up. So
Very
nobody else
good.
has to do it for me.
Absolutely. Oh, but you know what?
Hey, I didn't pick it all. How are you down to 1 tile?
She had a lot of doubles.
Oh,
Yeah.
I missed that.
It's your
I
turn
know.
now.
I do know Jones. Nobody's blocked. That's the train with the 3, right?
Yep.
Yeah. What's up with all these?
There's
damn
another
road
train
numbers?
with a tree here.
That's
That's
Yeah, but
not
you
That's
can't.
hers, though.
Yeah, yeah.
a 4 or a 3.
I
I
have
gotta-
a unblocked
Oh,
one or
who do
whatever
I?
that is.
Either one is gonna screw me up. Let's just do that.
Yep, you could do that.
Can I put you or not?
No,
No.
my train
You
is
can
not
go
up.
here
What is the reason?
because they
Because
don't
my
have their
train's not
trains
up.
not up.
Sorry.
'Cause
My-
that's
you
her.
go
That's
there.
hers. You can
My
only go on
train's
somebody
not
if
up
they're
because
blocked.
I'm able to play.
Right, so you can go on my mom right now, and you can play on my mom.
Okay.
Oh, cup's out.
Good job, Cup.
Good job. Well,
I had a double
if we're
and I
keeping
couldn't
score,
back it up.
I had a hell of a lot of
Get
big
a bumper.
numbers,
If you don't, your train goes up, and he has to back it up.
and my train goes up.
And if he can't, his train goes up. That's where it screws people because your train is going up, and now,
And you have
like, say he
you
backs it
Yeah.
up, she could play on anybody who has their
Yeah,
train up, and so
correct.
it could screw your order up.
So now you have to play that pink.
You have to play that pink.
Me.
Yeah.
Could you play it?
Yes, he has.
So what was it, the reason why? Just
because
so-
of the double being played. You
I didn't have
Ah.
a second one to go
So
with
that's
it.
didn't
what
have it.
started this
Yeah.
whole
Yeah.
thing.
You have to back that up.
I have very well told you. Let's see this one, right?
Go ahead.
Yeah. So what happens now?
It's a hard
Nothing.
decision. You always go with the more dice.
Oh,
I know.
You know what I mean? But we don't.
If
keep
If you're
score, so
keeping
it doesn't-
score,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
you don't.
Okay, I don't have. Okay.
Let's see if I can help him out.